The eternal question was and still is, what are the best practical strategies to maximize the successful induction of lucid dreaming, astral projection, out-of-body experiences, the phase, or how I like to call it, the shift. Either you wake up in the morning and wonder, what should I do during the day to help my practice during the daytime? Or you go to the bed in the evening and wonder, so what exactly am I going to do in the middle of the night to have these amazing experiences? Hi guys, so welcome to my little heaven, serene environment, atmosphere to learn about lucid dreaming, astral projection and out-of-body experiences. So what you're gonna learn in this particular course is the most efficient, the most easy to understand, the most pragmatic approach to induction of lucid dreaming, astral projection and out-of-body experiences. I will not ask you to be a meditator. I will not ask you to be a special person. We will not do anything mystical. But we will work on your intent to induce this experience. The intent will be an enhancer. So all the practices that we see around the world, they are just enhancers for your intent. But your basis, what I want to build with you, is a strong, technical, pragmatic basis of your technical functioning with this field of lucid dreaming and astral projection. All right, so I will not ask you to be a superhuman. If you are just a regular human as I am, who sleeps and dreams at night, that's all I will need. I will also require you to be attentive. So I don't want you to listen to me and make an interpretation with what you have learned before. So definitely you will need to empty your cup and listen carefully. Just become, a good student. Listen carefully so you can understand the information and not make an idea of the information that you receive from me. That's the only requirement I'm gonna ask from you, all right? Then I will not ask you to purchase my course and to have a bonus of the course. There is no bonuses. There is no extra PDF files to read through. There are no binaural beats to listen to. There are no guided meditations. Nothing of that. I will give you the direct instructions of what you will need to do during the night time, and that's it. It's not a selling thousands of informations. I have already digested the information for you. I have condensed it in a very precise course. So all you have to do is to listen carefully, pause, rewind into the course, listen to it again, make your own summary, take a pen, take a piece of paper, write down the information, listen again, double check that what you have written is exactly what I'm telling you. You can always email me, contact me. I'm easy to contact person and tell me, Youri, I'm doing your course and I'm in difficulty. I will take my time to reply to you, don't worry. It's part of the deal. I'm not only selling the courses, but I would like this exploration to be more spread out around the world. So I'm kind of a revolutionary guy there. I would like it to be spread out and so that people know about it. So write down what you are learning. Have a good progress, have a good learning experience. I hope you enjoy the course and please give me feedback. I'll be very happy to have your feedback and so that within 10 attempts, so I will ask you to do one attempt. One induction attempt is about 1 minute. So after 10 attempts, which will take you only 10 minutes, you are supposed to have success. And an advanced practitioner will have about 50% success during the induction. And in one particular night, we can do easily 5 inductions. So an advanced practitioner is almost sure to have a success in one night. A beginner in about 2 nights should be having a positive outcome of his efforts. So I would like you to give me feedback, write back to me and tell me, Yuri, I tried that many times as you advised in the course, and my success is like this and like that. So I can draw my statistics to support what I just told you. So that is what I'm telling you. It's already supported by these statistics, but it's an ongoing process. So it has been tested on thousands of people around the world, and we still keep testing it. And the improvement is always there. We always improve the quality of information, and especially the way it is being delivered. So give me feedback. I'll be happy to hear about it. And happy dreaming. See you soon, guys.